Good morning, guys. Welcome to the beautiful Belgrade. The weather is tragic, but the mood is 100%. Beautiful music, crazy traffic. If you come here, you really have to arrange your parking spots and know where to go because it's crazy. So it's really rainy. I have just one idea to what to do because I feel really relaxed in the main street called Kneza Mihaila. I'm going to grab some paper and do some planning. I think that's the best when you have a day like this. Maybe have some small breakfast or something. So see you later.
When the skies are gray, it's the perfect opportunity to pause and reflect. Instead of letting the rain damn your spirits, embrace it and grab your cozy blanket, a warm drink, or just go somewhere and take a moment to enjoy the sounds of raindrops dancing on the window. So let the rhythm inspires you. Whether you're starting a new project, picking up a hobby, or even writing a book you've always wanted to write, let the rain fuel your creativity. And don't be afraid to step out from your comfort zone. Try something you wouldn't usually do. Dance in the rain, take spontaneous drive, or even try cooking on your recipes. Change your mindset for the day. Remember, it's all about the perspective. Even rainy day has the potential to be a day of exploration or self-discovery. So next time the clouds roll in, let them inspire you to find joy in unexpected places. Embrace the rain, enjoy the moments, and just let your true self shine through. And don't forget to like and comment, subscribe for more inspirations and what actually you would like to see on a rainy day.
Možemo da se na